Well, hello there, my friends, and welcome to the place where you're going to learn how to create highly successful and profitable Facebook ads. Now, before we can get into the nitty gritty of Facebook ads, we need to lay the foundation for your business. And it all starts with a professional cover photo. Your cover photo and your profile photo should let people know who you are, what you do, who you serve, and how they can get more information. So I'm going to use Canva to create the cover photo. It is a great tool and it is free. There's no need to upgrade unless you absolutely want to. In the text that's related to this video, I'm also going to gift you 40 design dollars. That's $40 that you can use to have someone make a cover photo for you using professionals. But to get us started, let's just go ahead and use Canva. And the free version of Canva works very, very well. No need to upgrade. So I'm going to type in Facebook cover and I'm going to pick the Facebook cover template here in Canva. Now I'm just going to go ahead and pick the blank template. That's good enough because you're going to get all kinds of design ideas over here on the left. You can scroll through here and find designs that suit your fancy, but for the sake of this video, I've already picked a design that I'm going to modify to show you how easy it is to use these designs to say what you need to say. Again, you want to let people know who you are, what you do, who you serve, and how to get more information. So let's go ahead and click on this design. And the first thing I want to do is swap out this photo. So I'm going to go over here to uploads. And if you haven't uploaded any images of yourself or anything for that matter in Canva, just click on upload files, find the image that you want, select the image, and then click open, and it will show up in your images here. So I'm just going to pick an image really quick right here and drop it in there. And because this is an image template, that's why it automatically sized and replaced the image that was in there. So let's get rid of this stuff that I don't want because I know I'm not going to use it. And I'm going to create this using my life insurance client because I helped her create her cover photo. So right here, I'm going to double click and type in build wealth. And as you can see, it went over to 2 lines. So I'm just going to slide this over to make it bigger. Build wealth through life insurance, which is also going to be too big. Slide this over. We're going to do some more formatting here in a second. All right, I don't want this down here. So let's get rid of that. But I want to, up, it didn't go away. Let's trash it. Oh, wait, I took away something I didn't want to go away. The undo button is your friend. So let's click here, trash that. And then I want to copy this because I got more I want to say. So I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to drag it down and line it up with the items above. And I'm going to say using living benefits. And also it's too long, so I'm gonna make the box longer. So anytime I want to make adjustments to my image, I always like to use the slider bar for magnification. And I want this to come over and up. Same over here. And same with this. All right, let me scale it back and see what it looks like. Build wealth through life insurance using living benefits. This doesn't look centered, so let me scale it up again and center. And I'm going to try my best not to let my OCD get the best of me throughout this video. All right, let's see if that looks a little better. Scale it back. All right, again, I'm not gonna let my OCD get the best of me. This needs to be scooted over just a little bit. I can't help myself. I tell you, it's the engineer in me. There we go. Now it's lined up. Okay, scale it back on the magnification. And I wanna change these colors. I'm not really a fan of this yellow. So I wanna change this yellow. I'm a fan of blues. Do I like this blue or this blue? I think I like that blue. And I wanna change this yellow to that blue as well. And then I want to change that dark bar at the top to a different color. As you can see, I'm just clicking color up here. And what color do I want it? Maybe that. Purple doesn't match too good. Do I want to do an orange? Maybe. Let me see. Do I like the green? Again, I'm gonna try not to let my OCD get the best of me. I do want it to stand out a little bit. All right, so I think I'm gonna go with this green here and that green again. All right. So I don't need this down here, but I do need a button that says click here for more, and I'll tell you why in the next video. And I need to let people know who I am. So I'm gonna copy this again. I'm gonna drag this up to here, and I'm just gonna type a little sentence in there. Again, it's too big, so let's make it to where it's all one line. Still too big, which is fine. We're just going to go in here, click out of it, and come back in to make sure I have the whole thing highlighted. And let's take it down to 60. There we go. Cecelia, your life insurance specialist, build wealth through life insurance using living benefits. So now I need a button. So if I go to elements, and there's all kinds of elements in here. You can type, you can go circle and get circles, rectangles. There's a ton of them in here. I'm going to X out a circle, and I'm going to pick this one because this is, again, one that I've used before and I like. And it's got the two-tone effect. So I want the two-tone effect, and I want the green on this, or the blue on this side, and the green on that side. So the blue is on the left, and I want the green on the right. All right. And then this is a little bit bigger than I want it to be. So I'm going to size it. Always use the four corners whenever you size anything, be it a photo or whatever. Now, for your personal page, you want to keep in mind that your profile photo is going to take up some of the cover photo. So let me show you what this looks like for you. See how my profile photo is taking up some space on my cover photo. So when you're designing your cover photo, you want to keep in mind that over here is going to be your profile photo. Now, depending on when you're watching this video, Facebook may update this, and instead of your profile photo being on the left, it might be in the middle, it might be on the right. So just adjust accordingly. But for now, Facebook has it on the left. So I'm going to make sure that nothing is going to be covered by my cover photo. So I need to put something in my button here. So I'm just going to copy this, and I'm going to drag it down, and I'm going to type in here, click here for info. I'll say details. All right, so now I'm going to make this smaller. It's still going to be too big, though. That much I know. So let me move this up until it's inside the bubble. And I think I want 4 details to be on one line. Okay. And I want it centered. So I'm going to click here. I got to click out of it and click in it. And let's center it. There we go. And then I want to take it down so it fits inside the bubble. Will 60 work? Nope. Let's try 50. All right, 50 might work. And it put details on the second line. Still a smidge too big. All right, so let's take it down to 45. There we go. And let's scoot it over. All right. And if you notice, when I scoot it, you see that horizontal line? When the horizontal and vertical lines are like that, that tells me it's centered inside the bubble. So let's click out of that, and there it says click here for details. But you know what? I want the bubble to be just a smidge bigger. So let me highlight the bubble and make it bigger so it doesn't look like my text is right there on the edge. And we got that. All right. And there, my friends, is a professional looking cover photo that you can use on Facebook. All you need to do now is click on download. You want to make sure you download it as a PNG. Click download, and it will save to the download section of your file. So go ahead and take some time to design your cover photo in Canva. To go ahead and get you started, as I mentioned, I'm going to gift you $40 design dollars to use Freelancer to create a more professional design. But Canva is a great place to get started while you're waiting for your professional design to be made. And I will see you in the next video, where I'll show you how to size this for Facebook and use this on both your personal and your business pages. Thanks for watching, and head on over to Canva to start designing your cover. When it's done, I'll see you in the next video.